Hi. Well, we just finished another week, and this was a week of riddles. And some of you got started on your math projects, which I hope you're still working on. So I'm going to go over three of the problems from the from the riddles from last week. One no one got, so I put it back on the calendar for this week. So I need you to read it carefully. I'll go over it again just to make sure you actually hear what the problem is saying. Okay, so let's begin. Here's the riddle from Tuesday. I am a digit that looks like a pair of glasses after I am written on paper. You will not be able to find my beginning or end. Which number am I? Well, the answer to the riddle is the number 8, because we know 8, when you write it, it looks like this. Let's see. And if you keep going, it never ends. It just keeps going and going. It looks like a pair of glasses, and it just keeps going and going. So the answer to this one was 8. And I think the majority of you who did it, you got the answer correct. So good for you. Let's go to the next day. This one I loved. It says, what is 3/7 of a chicken, 2/3 of a cat, and 1/2 of a goat? Now, we were doing fractions before we left, so I'm giving you some of this review through riddles, just to support our, the work that we were already doing, and hoping that you could do this in a fun way. So let's look at it. If we look at chicken, one of the things I noticed about chicken, it has 7 letters. So if I pick what is 3/7 of chicken, the first 3 letters of chicken is CHI. Now if I look at the cat, it says 2/3 of cat. There's 3 letters, so 2 out of the 3 letters, I would get CA. And then the last one said, what is 1/2 of a goat? So I know I have 4 letters. So half of 4 is 2. So that would be GO. So it says, what is 3/7 of a chicken, 2/3 of a cat, and 1/2 of a goat? And if you put them all together, the answer is Chicago. I thought that one was so cool. I love that one. We did this here at my house too, and everybody loved that. That was a fun riddle. Okay, so let's go to the next one. You can buy 8 eggs with 26 cents. How many can you buy for a quarter and a cent? Now, this one, if you use the 3 reads that we do when we were in school, it takes you a minute, but then you go, okay, so what is this about? Okay, so I know it's about eggs and there's money involved. Let's see how they're connected. Let me read it again. You can buy 8 eggs with 26 cents. How many can you buy for a quarter and a cent? So what is it asking me to do? It's asking me to figure out how many can I buy for a quarter and a cent. I need to figure out how much is a quarter and a cent. So let's read it last time. You can buy 8 eggs with 26 cents. How many can you buy for a quarter and a cent? If I'm looking at important information that's in here, so I know 8 eggs is 26 cents. And I know you can buy, how many can you buy for a quarter and a cent? So I need to figure out how much is a quarter and a cent. All right, so let's go. So if I can buy 8 eggs for 26 cents, how many can I buy for a quarter and a cent? Well, a quarter and a cent is 26 cents. So I can buy 8 eggs with 26 cents. I know it says the answer here is 26, but that is definitely not correct. So I'm going to cross that off here. I'm going to cross it off here. And I am going to pick, I'm going to put on here, so bear with me. You can buy 8. Let me see if I can make this work. 8 there. 8 eggs. That one was fun too. And I know some people got tripped up because they were thinking, okay, there has to be some other answer, but that wasn't. There's a question that really required us to dig back into what we've already learned. And remember, we did number talks where you break apart numbers. So a quarter and a penny, which is a cent, will give us 26 cents. So let's go to the next one. What is half of 2 plus 2 equal to? I don't know. Okay, well, I do know, but I'm not giving you the answer this week because no one got this right. Everybody picked the same answer for this too, which was interesting. So again, what is half of 2 plus 2 equal to? So I'm going to need you to really think about this problem, and I'm going to ask you to take your time, ask someone else in your family, see what answer they get. But here's a hint. The answer is not 4. Okay? So again, the answer is not 4. All right. So good luck this week. And remember to check the calendar. Any work you have not done, complete this week. Work on your project. We'll be checking in on Tuesday. Mandatory Zoom meeting. All right. Have a good week, everyone.